Hey, what's up? I'm surprised how the market of projectors has changed in a couple of years. You used to have to pay $500 for Full HD projector with Wi-Fi support, but now $100 is enough. For example, the new projector from Yoton company has Full HD native resolution, 9000 lumens brightness or 2200 ANSI Lumens, and Wi-Fi support with a screen mirroring function. The price of this projector is $159 on Amazon, but you can use $50 of coupon code, so the final price for you will be only $99. Yoton Y7 looks very impressive for its price. Let's take a closer look at it and try to find a catch. Now you will have to do a little task to watch the video next. Just give it a like and you're done. Thank you. On the box we can see the image of projector, and it is in full size. Yes, Yoton Y7 is a compact projector, and there are some specs and information about manufacturer on the back of the box. Inside we have a 100-inch fabric screen on the wall, remote control, power adapter and power cable, audio cable, HDMI cable, and projector itself. I'm very surprised to see the screen in the package, as well as audio cable and HDMI cable. This is an ultra-budget projector under $100, but the manufacturer puts the important accessories in the box. That's very good. As I already said, Yoton Y7 is a compact projector. Its dimensions are 230 by 170 by 85 mm. The weight is only 930 grams. So this is a compact or a mini projector, but it is not portable because it doesn't have a built-in battery. The body has a rounded shape. The projector is made of white plastic, but the right and left sides are gray. Overall, the projector has a nice and fresh design. On the top we can see a focus and keystone wheels, as well as control buttons and a Yoton logo. On the back there is a speaker and infrared receiver for remote control. The second audio receiver is located on the front, next to the lens. By the way, the lens looks huge, because the projector itself is small. The connectors are located on the left side. Here we have HDMI, USB, AV, 3.5mm audio, and DC ports. But there is nothing on the right side. Yoton Y7 has an M4 hole at the bottom, so you can mount it on the tripod or even the ceiling. However, it also feels good on the coffee table. The four rubber feet keep it from the slipping on the surface. Okay, now let's turn on the projector and look at the menu. When you first power on the projector, you're prompted to choose the language. There's 8 languages available, such as English, German, Italian, Spanish, and others. After that, you can choose the connection method from HDMI, screen mirroring, AV. You can also connect USB flash drive to projector and go to the movie, music, picture, or text. The settings menu is the same as on other budget projectors. We have the picture settings, where we can choose the picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, projection direction, and reduce display. The audio settings include sound mode, balance, and auto volume. In the time menu, there's only sleep timer. In the system settings, we can change a language, restore factory default, and some other options. However, the main feature of Yoton Y7 projector is Wi-Fi support. There's even 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. You need to go to the screen mirroring menu and choose a suitable connection method, such as cellular network connection for iOS, Bluetooth Wi-Fi connection for iOS, wireless connection for Android, and wired connection for iOS. I have the iPhone, so let's try to connect it to projector. First, we need to go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to home Wi-Fi network. After that, take your smartphone and open screen mirroring menu. Here we can see Yoton projector. That's all. Next step, you don't have to re-enter a password from Wi-Fi network on projector. I have also read that you can screen mirror the screen of your smartphone to projector without connecting the same Wi-Fi network. It is called a cellular network connection. Talking about noise of Yoton Y7, it is quiet enough. The noise level near projector is 44 decibels. And it is only 34 decibels at 1 meter. I was worried that the projector was get hot because of its compact size, but it didn't. There's really hot air coming out of the right side, but the body itself is not hot. As for the volume level, it reaches 75 decibel. The sound is really loud, but the overall quality of the speaker is poor. It definitely needs more bass. Finally, we can watch some videos on the big screen. I have placed a projector at about 3 meters from the wall and got the projection size of 130 inches. The maximum screen size is 200 inches, but the recommended one is from 30 to 160 inches. If your distance from the wall is too big, you can reduce the projection size from 100% to 50% with a remote control. As already said, the native resolution of Yoton Y7 projector is Full HD. The image is really clear. You can read text on projection, which is good for presentations or even games. As for the contrast ratio, it is 2000 to 1. Of course, the colors are not as rich as on more expensive projectors or TVs, but they are good for the budget projector. Do you agree?
Bir daha çıkmamız mümkün. Kızlar. Aynı odaya gidiyoruz aşkım. O zaman.
Darkness will not over the face of the earth. It will be the end.
Amsterdam.
We formed a pact, and we swore to protect each other.
Can he put them in front? Well, it was a wonderful chance, but the goalkeeper comes through.
Yes, Derek, we have to give credit to the keeper.
His commitment to the cause as he was charging down the ball then. Certainly that's something else up top for Arsenal. As well as the goals, he's got this persistence, and here he is now.
Off, and it'll be French. And Nicolo, wonder if the referee speaks French.
Well, I think he's asking for a review. So despite the great starting field position for New England, nothing doing. As soon as they move Edelman down and Alford goes with him, he's in man coverage. And
$54. However, we need to look deeper to really understand the difference between these earbuds. Before we start talking about ANSI, start with unboxing. But first, please subscribe to our channel Timecodes and hit the bell icon to receive notifications.
I've got it in my hands. The specs, the build quality, everything has been so well.
The one that I have here today is called the S2 Pro. This is a scooter that has a top speed of 31 kilometers an hour.
I have with me the highest end version of the International Reno series, that being
The brightness is 9000 lumens or 2200 ANSI Lumens. I think it is very good for $99 projector, and you can use it during the day. Of course, it is necessary to close the curtains or blinds on the windows. To switch between the noise reduction and transparency modes. By the way, Redmi Buds Pro has recently.
the smartest man alive.
oh Jesus.
United players getting a bit rattled at the moment. Holy Blue just doesn't deal with this. Good place by Pedro. So difficult.
So let's summarize. You know, when I first saw Yoton Y7, I thought it was a children's model because of its compact size and rounded shape. However, it is really good for the home theater. First, I'm glad it comes with 100-inch screen in the package. And this is a nice surprise from the budget projector. And there are different connectors on the left side, such as HDMI, USB, AV, 3.5mm audio, so you can connect USB flash drive, laptop or even game console. There's also dual-band Wi-Fi support, so the screen mirroring function is available. The projection quality is very good, thanks to Full HD native resolution and high brightness. Probably the only drawback of Yoton Y7 is the speaker. It is very loud, but the quality is poor. I would recommend connecting an external speaker, especially since AV and 3.5mm audio ports are available here. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!